All right, more news coming in. Ex-Congress Neta's blistering attack on the Gandhis. Ghulam Nabi Azad calls Gandhi a party of one family. They calls Congress a party of one family. Gandhis were mum on Muslims' lynchings. No Muslim Congress chief post-independence, has said Ghulam Nabi Azad.
आजादी से पहले 65 साल अकलियत के 12 सदर बने हिंदुस्तान के कांग्रेस के। 75 साल में एक नहीं बना। घर का एक के बाद एक के बाद एक के बाद एक, कोई दूसरा मर गया है कांग्रेस। अब जिसको बनाया बेचारे को, आपने उसका स्टेटमेंट देखा होगा कि मुझे 80 साल में तो बनाया, लेकिन इज्जत कोई नहीं करता और वोट देने के लिए उनके अंदर टिकट ढूंढने चाहते हैं।
All right, so that was Ghulam Nabi Azad, previously associated with the Congress party, and not just that, he used to be within the inner circle of the Gandhis, most close to the Gandhi family, considered a Congress stalwart and a Gandhi family loyalist, says Gandhi, in fact, Congress a party of one family, calls Congress a party of one family. Gandhis were mum when Muslims were getting lynched in India, is what he said. And also, ever since independence, there has been nobody, no Muslim who's in fact headed the affairs within the Congress party. Sunil G. Bhatt getting asked more details on Ghulam Nabi Azad and what he said. Now, the first time that he's gone after the Congress and the Gandhis, essentially, obviously stemming from the fact that he's been disgruntled and that he's left the party, isn't it?
Well, Sneha, Ghulam Nabi Azad was in Ramban district yesterday. He was campaigning for his party's candidate, GM Saruri. GM Saruri is contesting from Udhampur Lok Sabha seat, and while addressing an election rally in Ramban yesterday, he launched a scathing attack on the Gandhis as well as on the Abdullahs. Ghulam Nabi Azad said that before independence, there were 12 presidents of the Congress party from the minority communities, but after independence there has not been even a single president from the minority communities in the Congress party, and recently they made a Dalit leader as their president. He was referring to Mallikarjun Kharge, and Ghulam Nabi Azad claimed that that Kharge was being insulted frequently by the Congress party. So he was trying to say that the Congress party tries to seek votes of the members of the minority communities, but on ground the party is not doing anything for their welfare. He said, he was referring, indirectly he was referring to Rahul Gandhi, that Rahul Gandhi got defeated in Uttar Pradesh, and this time also he has gone to Kerala to seek votes to fight election from Wayanad. So Azad said that Rahul Gandhi seeks votes of the members of the minority communities, but he doesn't raise voice against the injustice that the minority communities, face. So that's what Ghulam Nabi Azad said. And Azad also launched a blistering attack on the Abdullahs. Sneha, you remember when I did that exclusive interview with Ghulam Nabi Azad a few weeks ago, and while speaking exclusively to me, he had made very serious allegations against the Abdullahs, and he had even claimed that, Abdullahs are seeking midnight meetings with Prime Minister. And after that, there has been a war of words which still continues. And even in the recent days, there have been, exchange of barbs by the Abdullahs and Azad. So yesterday Azad said that Abdullahs tried to provoke the youth of the valley. They threw them in militancy, in terrorism, and they themselves enjoyed power. That's what Azad said. So clearly there is the, confrontation that is taking place between Azad and the Abdullahs. And Abdullahs have been saying that Azad is a B team of the BJP. He is working for the BJP, and that is why there is such exchange of, harsh words against each other by Abdullahs and Azad.
Sunil, thanking you for the moment, for getting us up to speed with those details. Sunil G. Bhatt with that report on former Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad.